Thank you for watching, as always. And if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, subscribe right now.
So what going today? Boy, this morning from morning, I deliver pit. I'm glad we get a little break now, man.
But I'm sick of the blood business. Yo, I'll tell them I almost failed power surgery.
I mean,
I tired last night. Yo, I tell you, I think we need some time to enjoy myself. That I think we need right now. But yo, where are you later on?
well, you know, some mommy there home, so I'm not she alone. So yeah, we always have watch movie. You know, we have movie night on Friday, so me and I watch.
I need to talk to you, brother.
Me have no banana.
Sure.
Me have banana, no. As me I say, I'm mommy that, so
Where apple now, mama? Yeah, where apple?
two.
God. You need help, brother. Don't worry about it, man. I have money, man.
No. Thank you. But as me I said, that's simple. Nah,
All right, mama. See something.
Thank you.
Thanks, yeah? Yeah.
but you know me, I swear when I like road like that.
Brother, I need to talk to you. 'Cause obviously something not going on in your head. I need to want to switch if it turn on.
Well, because a long time I know woman still. So.
You see? In life, you have to find a way of it. Relax yourself. Because how we work, you know, we work hard. Extra hours. Right now we get a 5-minute break. And for 5-minute break means what? Only on fruits? Later on, we could do a little thing. I'll show you the ropes. Forget about mama. Forget about your house. Forget about work. You know what I mean? Unwind. I know we can find one spot, but you know what I mean? Secluded. What you say?
You know I'm an indoor person. I'm not really like road like that. I not like the crowd. I can't deal with that.
What about crowd, man? Yo, it's just it's over carry go. Not corner there. But you're sure to find something that's gonna work your while. But guess what I want to tell you? Don't go in there with your heart. Not left your heart out the door. So you enter a place, just free spirit. You know what I mean? Call them the girl there. It's a girl that I rode there. Them dangerous. I'm saying dangerous means say.
Well, anyways, come on, man.
No, you go on. You're my so found. Let's go on, man. See?
All right, me have 2 more picnic to deliver.
Look, my break starts in the next 10 minutes.
All right.
Mm-hmm. Slimmers. Yeah, man, I'm me, man. Know yourself, man. Don't ask how I get your number. I had your number. What me really want to ask you, say, the bar is still open? All right. I pass through tonight with a friend of mine. Yeah, man, just make sure say the bar now have nobody night. You understand? You take you right. All right? And it's them same 2 girls that will always pass through. Yeah. Make them pass through. Yeah, man. Cool. So we talk. All right, later then. Yo, where's up, that girl?
Well, Candy, for you move from road this up,
I can't tell when last me come look for you. I'm glad you invite me up here still. Place look nice and everything. But what I'm going with Junior, a long time I don't see him now.
I'd have mercy. You see, Junior now, you know, saying ton big man and now done college and sitting.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. The boy come out good, you know. What subject he have?
I go come out good. Why have good brain?
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Boy, he got him bachelor degree, diploma, everything. Me proud of him, but master, one thing me dey worry about right now.
Now what?
Me need some grandchildren.
So what you worry about that for? That will come with time, man. But when you go study at college again?
Doctor. My son a big, my son a big doctor.
Congratulations, man. I feel happy and proud of him.
Thank you.
So that means that when I sick, I can go and link him up and all of that.
Of course, why not? My son a general practitioner. Him can do everything and anything. Gyno and the rest. Yeah, you know, like a gynecologist too.
Yes, man.
Yeah, he can do that too. He good like that. But as me tell you before, me need some grandchildren. Me want to see my grandchildren and run up and down all over the place. Me need company in my place, man. Me need some company. So if he can give me 2 or 3 grandchildren, me will love that. You understand? Sure.
What? Talking about grandchildren. You know if you have girlfriend?
Stella, where they say to me? You don't see a face, boy.
Me don't mean like that, man.
Man, where they do you know? Because if they come and hear you say that out of your mouth, you know a problem. Okay. Stella, not do it again.
Why?
You have a woman them, but maybe my use protection, kind of ready for no children.
If you tell him say you need some grandkids now, so that you can get serious.
You know when some man up in their career and they think about their future, them are prepare for them kids. Maybe that him a do plan for the future for all our children them where my plan forget.
Right, move that.
You understand? For them not come suffer. Well, that good man, but you know, to me alone there in my house and in gone, you know. In gone in business, me alone there, me feel lonely. That nice to me have some grandchildren that run around, you know. Me really want some grandpitney man. Me can't bother. Kind of boring.
Later on when he come in and discuss it with him. I'm glad to hear about your son still. But Kenny, you just sit down and cloak up in your house, so that's why you're boring. You wouldn't even come look for me and make we go have a drink sometime or, you know, go have a little session or go shake off with foot and nail something there. Eh? You have to be boring, man.
Let me tell you something. Stella, you know me for a long time. Here's me and your friend. Me no used to the night Jew and the up and down pan road. You understand me? Me no want when time me whole. I reach up way up in the age. Me switch up before time. Me want to look nice and fresh and young when me reach certain age. Me can't take a night Jew. You understand?
Me no say no about that. After a regular we go do it. But no and again, we can't go out go have fun.
Anyway.
I see you know all you know, man.
One of the day I will
you
call
can't
you.
just cloak up here by yourself, so.
Me understand.
And up your hat, you need to an AC or 2, man.
Your hat not Joe?
Yes.
Me did buy one AC, one of them business place there. My side don't good, me have to carry back. Then when me call one of the technician to come fix it, how my leg him a charge me more than what me pay for AC, me carry back and take back my money. A fund me I use. But one next time when I come, maybe me have AC or me get sitting for make give you a piece of paper, make your fan or something. Me sorry about that.
Or you install so sealed in the fan then.
See that's man. Yes, every sit man. See the lights them? Yeah. This is called a bar. You know what I mean? Yeah. See, pretty girls is always near. Good evening, madam. So far, so good, you know. I want to introduce to my friend here, the Goodman.
Good night. Good night, good night, good night.
What do you feel like you want to drink tonight?
I mean, I'm not really a drinker. I'll probably have some water or something.
Water? What do you mean water? You know where the brother? In a place you get your spirit loose. So let's start with something special. You hear my friend?
What kind of special you want? Rum special? White rum?
Yeah man, give me Jamaican white rum. You know what I mean? Overproof. Brother, trust me, you're gonna like that one, yeah.
But anyways, I have all night out there because mommy the home and wait for me.
Hey, leave home alone, man. Yo, you work hard now, bro. So if you work so hard, you have to take some time for yourself.
Girl, you look like a two doctor them here, you know. Let me see.
Yo, enjoy a drink, man. This man say.
Bartender. I need a sorrel beer and a high pressure.
Where go, mama?
Me not need no ice in mine, you know.
How you doing?
I'm okay.
Oh my God. Hey, I'm my friend over there, you know, so keep him company here.
Heard that? Can I buy more cigarette?
So back to you, mama. What's your name?
My name is Keisha.
Isha.
Yeah.
What you mean? Frequently around this place?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you?
No, my friend, it's that I bring my friend out to just enjoy himself, you know. Dr. Goodman, you know what I mean?
Okay. Hi. Nice
Okay.
to meet you, Dr. Goodman.
Yes. So I want you, you see, my friend Dr. Goodman, take good care of him, here. Yeah, man, so bro, don't be shy, let's work on the floor, here. Take good care of my friend, all right? Come on, man.
So be back.
Isha.
You see, this is the first time I come and say this to you. So what's your name again?
Lisa, but you can call me Appleberry.
Appleberry.
Yeah.
Okay, nice to meet you, Appleberry. So we,
And you?
Dr. Goodman.
Oh, I want something for smoke or matan. I can't buy me one.
Matter. Bartender 3 Mataran.
You look good still, I realize say you're a doctor, so when I'm sick you can come listen to my heartbeat.
I can think about it. I can think about it. So where you from though? I'm still up now.
From when I want bush round this way, you know?
There's just something about you that I don't know what it is, but it just seems like a very nice person though. Like you've been through a lot.
You know I'm no man.
Well, I only one woman in my life right now, and it's my mother.
You're too lie.
It's my mother. I not really have a.
Good boy like you, now I'm no woman. I like them be there, you know? Bartender, the smoke. Thank you.
So I say you normally act like this, like smoke and stuff.
This is my personality. Can I borrow a lighter, please? Oh.
Maybe you don't have to smoke now, but probably we can do something else. I don't know.
Yo, my boss. Hey. Everything alright? A waste time?
Wow.
Then my place saying no waste time, brother. I bet you ask if you going there. I bet you ask if you left the place. So where are you? We're ready, you know. Because I can't leave here, so.
All right, here what? I'm about to leave now, so how about you take my number?
Going away?
Don't know anything, man. No, I need to back to it.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
I'll call you here.
Take my number. Give me my number.
My phone have it.
Alright. Can call me anytime.
Yeah, man, you call up on your phone. No worries, sir.
All right, take care, sir. Where you bartender?
Bye.
Alright, bartender. Yo, I'm the best specialist in my drink, you know. Yo. Look up here.
Girl, no go on. Look how long you've done yourself. How are you there,
You know, sister, the doctor man, they come like a nerd.
Well, Key. You've done yourself with man, I chat whole time, and you know. Is that the doctor man, them go with a while ago, girl? You know if it ungodly things, girl.
Dr. Goodman. You know, say my dad down in our town and I'm fear last, so I walk come down here for come beg your fear.
But how you know somebody at work though?
You give me a number last night and it last.
Listen, this is my workplace. You can't do that, you know, because of the Ministry of Health can pop up anytime. You can't just come.
How you do? Shame on me?
Lisa, no. But because I'm a workplace and me know the excitement, me can't deal with it. Me not shame of you.
Listen, Dr. Goodman, I know the town me there. And me lost me fear. So I come for ask you if you have fear, if you go home beg you have fear.
Alright, this is not much, but this I probably can. I hope you can take you home. You see? You know what? Give me a number, let me call you later, you see? I'm not working. See the number. You mean what you say a while ago?
Call me.
You mean what you say?
Alright.
You're busy later?
No.
I'm not telling a lie, you know. That's something the way you did to me last night. You make me speechless.
No worry about that. You have many more left to come. Alright, my baby. Later. Call me here.
Definitely, baby. Be safe. Here?
Wait. What a
A weed. Take a draw, man.
listen, my mother wouldn't approve of this, you know.
I'm sure you.
This is not even good for you.
Try. Try it now.
Listen,
Bill of vibes with me now.
listen, this can cause brain cancer, you know. It's not good for your health. And my mother wouldn't approve of me smoking ganja.
Just try it for once. Just for once. You take too much, man. Not dead. You alright? I'm not sure you could do it. You do like this. Easy. Aye, man. Yeah. That's how you know, baby.
Celebration time. Hold on this glass. Alright. Hold this. Time. Cheers.
Why Candy, you know, easy, you know. You
Stay there, don't
really
drink
a
it.
celebrate you because your son call you and tell you say you find no man.
Oh, you mean? You know how long me want some grandchildren? If you know how me proud of my son. Long time if you breed up a girl them. What? If you ever know me happy, girl, you know so me a drink. Hey!
You know what, say you're happy, but me never see people celebrate over them as simple things.
I told them I idiot. Them not have no sense. Girl, me can't wait for my son come home with this nice, beautiful, lucky girl. She's so lucky. He tell me saying beautiful, you know, me not see him yet. Me not see her yet, but from my son say a nice, sexy, pretty girl. Me believe him. Yes. And him tell me how she ambitious. A big work she do. Me can't wait for meet her. If you know me happy. Right now I'm a happy woman on earth. I am going to have a lot of grandchildren. Hey! Woo!
You can't see this show.
Cheers again. Lord of mercy. Cheers, no broke neck. You bitter. Why? Let's celebrate, you know.
Mommy?
Me dey out here, so come.
No, come here.
Huh? Me?
Yeah.
I'm here really because Mommy, come here.
Didn't they have a mother?
No, you don't call me like that.
Mommy, good evening.
Evening.
So this is Lisa. Remember I called her earlier and I tell her said me have meet somebody special. So yeah, this is Lisa.
Hi, Lisa.
Well, nice that you can meet and greet us. And so me I go take off my clothes and see. You see? So meet Lisa, talk to Lisa. Talk to mommy.
Lisa, can you excuse me, please? Just let me talk to my son for a few minutes.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, just me I come here.
Lord Jesus.
Girl.
Excuse me, please. When I finish my deal with you, we don't use lighter here. It's electric stove.
Mommy, you're not for deal with her, so we can.
Lord Jesus. Where you get them the terrain get it there from?
Don't do that. I'm a big man, you know. Why you feel like you need to talk to me?
Yes, he's a big man without sense. Aren't you mature enough? This is what I sent you to college for. Is this one of the subject? Lord of Jesus. Get a grip on yourself.
Mommy.
And then they kind of Jesus.
Mommy, I don't appreciate you talking to me like this, you know. I really don't appreciate you talking
Hold
to
on,
me
let me
like this.
just listen to me, Junior. I can't take this anymore. Me agree, so me send you out there if you look a decent woman. And then the kind of same thing you call decent.
Mommy, you can't just, what you know? We and her just start talking and eventually should we change? Should we adjust? Should we adjust your potential?
So you take up one butterfoot out the road if you can't change them. How you want to change them? In here, so?
Mommy,
So you take up butterfoot if you can't turn housewife.
mommy, listen. Sometimes I
Junior, me no want hear nothing right now because me there they celebrate. You shame me right in front of my friend Stella. After me call her on her phone and tell her say my son find good woman and they care come to introduce to me. This a way you care.
Mommy, not because she look like
Shame on you, Junior.
Listen to me now. Just
Junior, shame on you.
Mommy, trust me. Just trust me that she have potential, mommy.
Potential.
She just want a little ear do, want a little take care of something.
So, I send you from kindergarten to primary to high school, and the last one, no, you don't know what all my money in college, and tell me, say, she just want ear do, and her body just want to take care of, so that you come up in a life you can do. Take care of Butterfoot before you look on decent righted, church-going child. Where good parent brought them up the right way. Look what she wear coming at my place.
Mommy, me understand what you're saying, but you don't understand what me I say. The things that she do to me, mommy. Unspeakable, mommy.
What do you mean the things them? What she do to you?
Babes,
What
I'm
the-
ready. Come on.
Just give her a few minutes, please.
I come in. Mommy, listen. Listen. She's not. You're probably your cup of tea, but one day she get there, mommy. But I will
So,
see. I see.
Junior.
Miss Stella.
Hey,
We'll see.
Junior,
Yes, ma'am.
the type of things them what you doing to you like it. You stoop very low. You shame me. Junior, me shame and kill me. Jesus Christ. I come in, Stella. Jesus Christ. God. Stella, shame a kill me. Shame a kill me. A lucky thing shame no broke neck. A load but in no broke neck. Girl, after me there they celebrate. Oh, my son, I come on with good woman to me. Me one champagne. What me get from Sherland? Me come bossy, say this a special occasion. Junior care. This Jezebel from right beside Lucifer foot. Come introduce to me. God almighty.
No, Candy. No, no go answer.
What you mean no go answer?
No, behave yourself, man.
Can
Them
you
a say
imagine?
no know her yet, you know.
Me no know her.
Them a say you no know her, so you can't judge her like that.
Really? You know see how the girl dress? And Junior know say me no in a them the kind of sitting there. I am a church going person and I respect my son. I need my son to respect me and bring in good, proper, decent woman in here.
What does she making you happy? You don't know them a little doctor boy, you know
Only
what they
God
say.
knows. Me no say him no fi care come here. But if my son Junior, listen to me keenly now, Stella. I'm me serious, you know me for years. Anything when me say, me dey mark down the X right as so. If my son Junior fall in love with that witch and come tell me say him a go marry her, amen, so let it be. Me nah go at the wedding. Never. I will never enter. Whether then I married at church or upon the beach, me not going. The only time I will be going somewhere where that girl is, our funeral. Me nah go. Me no want them the kind of dirty butterfoot girl they married for me good son. Eh? Me good doctor son. Eh? That girl, whatever she they give me son, or they do to me son, she better go find one next jackass like she if you go give it to them. But don't lead my son in the wrong way. Junior, give me a word with you. One over more upon the bed now. I want to talk to you.
Sorry, mommy.
Junior, I realize say from me talk to you, you not come home back. You not come back from them time there. So if me say anything to you where you don't like and you feel offended by it, I am sorry. So me come to apologize to you for whatever wrong you feel say me say to you. You understand?
Mommy, it's not like you say nothing wrong, you know. But you have to understand. Me a big man. And me have to make decision for myself. Me have to make my mistake them and learn off of my mistake them by myself. And if you don't know the girl, you don't know her mommy. Me understand she got through a lot, you know. She got through a lot, mommy. So she have me know not what she had, she never really want to do it. But me really like her. I really like her, mommy. Right now, this is the happiest I have ever been in my whole life. Like she opened my eyes to a lot of stuff, mommy. Like me just think I need to get to know her. Just give her a chance. She already been through a lot, mommy.
Junior, me not think me want know her. Just seeing her with you appear up in the house, me think me see as much. Me see enough what I want to see and what I want to know. Me no want to know her. Anyway, I not really she me come to talk about. You understand? Me come to apologize to you. As I said before, I am sorry because me not like this way go on between me and you. From me talk to you, me not see you back and me dey tell you already and me not like it. You understand what I say? So me, you know so me love you. Me really, really love you. And I want the two of us to be like son and mother again. Bring back the son and mother love in the house. You understand? Because I not like the distance thing.
Mommy.
Me not see you. Me not know if you're alright. You understand? So, you know, just think about it.
Mommy. There's no woman in the world that can take a love from out fear. But it's just that me have to go out there and experience stuff for myself. You have to always be my mother.
Me understand.
When we can get a lot of girls, we can get a lot of mother. But you know that shouldn't really that important for you to stress yourself about that. But the thing is my happiness. Is what me want, mommy. We just want to finally get a girl that know me things and me can settle down with. I'm like her. I'm just want to give her a
Jonah,
chance.
you're my only son. Me know you're a big man and me cannot choose for you. But I don't think she's the right woman for you. So guess what? Me leave you on your own. Me not tell you if you not there with her, and me never say if you go there with her. But make sure what you do. Look into what you do and make sure you choose the right person. You can't say me never want you. You understand?
Mommy, no bother worry yourself, man. As me say, no girl can take a space. You're my mother forever. You're gonna always be my mother. I'm gonna always love you.
All I'm saying is to be careful of what you're doing.
Mommy? Good evening, mommy.
Junior, you can't see me they sleep. What happened to you? See how you man.
Mommy, me have something to tell you. You know some birthday come up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Me I plan to keep on party, you know. But me I plan to keep a party down at Lisa yard. I'm gonna want you to come.
May I listen? One talk.
So mommy, me I tell you something birthday I come up and me I keep on party.
Congratulations, my son. Me glad see you live to see that the age day. Where you see that party the way you tell me about? Look for me and no look for me. Me no have to come. Me can come and me no have to come. You understand? Me no want come.
So mommy,
Why
what
you-
can be so?
What you mean? Listen, don't get me wrong. Me no hate her. Me just no want come down at that the yard there no party. Why you never keep the party yasso where you live? Me and you live yasso. And you could have invite your friend them X or Chi and just keep the party here so.
You know what? I think this was a big mistake become come tell us me I keep party. Because me just you know have to behave so, you know? You know have to behave so.
Junior,
But everything no
previous
mommy,
word
mommy.
stir up anger and you dey make me get anger right now. You love coming on my bed, go on.
Alright,
And you still love coming on my bed.
Alright,
Just
sorry.
just go on around your room. Me can't take no talking right now. Just keep your party. Me no know if me a come. Maybe me come. Me no know. Alright, yes, your birthday a come up. Keep it party.
Everything good, man. My soul left, you know. My doctor, you know, I can't left. You can't believe that. Me carry a girl go show her mommy. I tell her, say me I keep a party.
A joke comes, right? Well, you're not going to not even see mommy face. What you talking about? Mommy face?
No, man, me think say, you get this wrong, man. She actually is a nice girl, you know.
One nice motor. Most our fun. That's it. But brother, you can't get tricked by them something in my life. As a big man, you have to know when to take a one and go. You understand me? I say? She know your mind, you know.
Me even tell mommy, my birthday knows some birthday come, right? And me I plan to keep on party. Run our yard.
Don't tell me, yeah.
Brother, me a friend, you know, brother. You're supposed to stop happy for me, you know.
Brother, me feel like me a laugh off of you for real to reality. Man, like you tell me, say, you first thing first, you bring the woman, you bring the girl, or you bring, I don't even have a style, but you bring she, because show your mother like her. Brother, any woman with your mother not like, and a woman feel like somebody to move forward with.
Yeah, but I know, watch out now, at the end of the day, you know, it's my life. She do some things, brother, where me never know, say.
Oh, that's a problem.
You see me?
That's your problem.
Me never know, say them.
I bet you carry out tomorrow and show you one different side and you're going to feel like you are married down the two, eh? What's that? Brother,
Just imagine that the little body there, how she can climb wall or something.
brother, on a serious note, I really can't believe that you don't remember your status. See, he's a doctor, you know, brother. Then the woman in the nothing of then she shouldn't even know say a doctor in the first place. I bet she shouldn't turn up in your workplace. Eh? And come say, hi. Eh? Can you imagine say all the nurse them and the doctor them sick? This a tiger where come pull up. When he hear pull out and he might choose one of these things. Eh?
I think you go too far, you know.
You not go too far. Eh?
You go too far, man.
See you tell her that?
She come, I'm a record of it.
No, you.
Me end up hide her out.
But alright. Why you hide her out then? Because you shame her genuinely
No, man,
inside.
it's just that she never look a certain way.
Alright, you walk one. Me a virgin, and we are come from far in with it. See? Do what you do. But remember, say one tell you. That's all I can say. Enjoy your meal. Eat up.
Every girl need a Dr. Goodman in their life. There's no.
So you're Dr. Goodman.
Of course.
You're a good one.
Just remember my party. Just remember my birthday.
I was there by I was there party.
January 4th.
January 4.
How are you doing, sir?
You know, say I'm up here, me I go.
Boy, I'm tired. Stella, how are you going to go do?
I know, say me I go do like a shopping.
Yeah, better one. Right now, me tired of me yard, me dey walk go. Tired, if you ever know far me I come from, girl. 10 tour in a one. You see the other day when time you did up on me yard? I'm dey talk to my son.
Yeah.
Girl, show me talk to him about the woman when he carry come there. When he feels you're the best woman in the whole world. You don't know what I'm vex about it? Yes, Junior vex about it. Vex and not come home for you long. But he eventually come home now. So, me be the bigger person, because you know I'm my son, and me no want me and him have nothing. Me and him never used to have anything, and you know that. Me love my son dearly.
Yeah.
Me know my son love me too, you know. And me know say I'm an adult. But, you know, mother, son, me no want to go take up the wrong woman. So, True that the argument, you know, where you did hear me they talk to him about.
Yeah.
Him vex. But he come on back and me go to him and me apologize to him.
I tell you, say, I understand, say, your son and you want the best for him still, you know, but you can't choose for him. He's my own big man, you know. You have to allow him to make his choices and his mistakes them and learn from them.
Stella, me understand. Me understand. You're not wrong, you know. But even though you did done warn me already about it, you know, me still did have to talk to him. Me still have to talk to him, Stella. Thank you. Me still have to talk to him about it because me not trust that girl there. And me know me not fit judge a book by cover. But me not like how the girl look and how she dey go on. Me not like it. I know them the kind of woman them me want my son have. You know me can't choose him and me go left him for him when make him doing thing. But that no mean say me turn me back on him. Because every mother wants to see them son with a good woman to get nice, decent grandchildren. You understand? 10 tour in a one. Me think the saga did done. You know say Junior can tell me about him a keep birthday party down at the girl yard. Because him birthday they come up soon. And then they can invite me. What a piece of brightness. And he knows, so me nah go, you know. Me I wonder what happened to him. Me not understand him. What a piece of hardness. Me if you go down a girl yard when me no like and girl no like me. Look on the girl how he look. When me I do them the people the yard? Eh? Why couldn't keep it up a few yard where we live? You know what I mean? Look here. Stella, me nah go. Me nah go a birthday party. Cause anyhow me go, me mash you up. You know what? You know, say me I go on my son. And a my son birthday party. No girl can tap me for good. But anytime you see me put foot in that day, me I mash up everything. No party now go on there so. Me they done out everything. Me I mash up anything when me see everything a pop up when me go down there so. The whole place tear down. Me no joke. It's my son. And me care that the boy there for 9 months in my belly. When me say 9 months in my belly. Me alone go in a labor room. Me never see that the girl there. So she want to take over my son. Me want my son get one good, decent woman. Not only could dirty butterfoot girl.
Candy, shut up. Shut up, Candy.
What you try do?
Foolishness you talk. The man is a big grown man. You can't tell him what to do. You can't tell him who to talk to. You can't tell him how to run his life.
Yeah, your friend, take yourself
Who
out of my
in
business.
love. Me say who in love. You go and go on so till the boy they take hate. You see that girl, you know.
He not go hate me.
Alright, you will see.
My son love me as a mother.
Yes,
He love
he
my
love
son
you.
as
He
my
love
son.
you. And look here, sometimes you forgive him in distance.
Distance. Me give him only for
what he want
distance.
to do.
But he look like me give him too long. He take up the wrong somebody. Me want some good grandchildren. Me want one nice daughter-in-law.
She can change.
Change. She must see money. You know what? Me know your style for a long time. You know, loving a female business. Me a come go me yard. You say you got more base one bus over there. So go along which part they go. Cause me can't bother with you.
Hello. Stop the young miss. I don't say you don't know miss still, you know. But Miss Candy friend. And
Oh, so you come to fight me off now. Ready?
man, calm down. Nothing like that.
Oh,
The other day when Junior bring you to introduce you to Candy, I was there. You seem to be a nice young lady, you know. You just need a little brushing off. You don't feel like...
hello, tap this up. What
you
kind
don't-
of brush off you come and mention to me? What kind of brush off?
Calm down. Your little head too hot. You don't feel like if you act a little bit more ladylike, then Candy would like you and accept you.
Let me tell you this, you see Junior pick me up when me and drink. When me a smoke. Take a red waist. How happen now? Not change with nobody.
It's them same piggish mentality that you have why you and Candy cannot get on, you know.
It's either or either.
Well, If you don't want to change, I can't change you, but you can. I'd say I didn't give you some sound advice.
Me no want no son and me no want no advice from you.
Anyway, I know that I can't change you, you know. But I'm gonna pray for you.
Me no
That you
want you
can
pray for me.
change.
Me no want you
because-
pray for me. You the old piece of old foot candy. No pray for me. When time una did my age, you know, did worse than me. So don't try change me here.
Calm down, young miss. I know Junior from him was a baby, and I know Candy very well, and I know that you sent him to good school, and him have good upbringing and all of that. So keep on your road that you're on, all right? We'll see how far it's going to end up.
I mind Dr. Goodman that you know me have to lock my eye and put my eye upon him. You know me have to grip him. Come out of my business here.
Don't worry yourself. We'll see how it all works out.
All right, yo, my general, see, well, I said, despite everything, I and she kind of, you know what I mean, I go on and no matter what I tell you, just can't hear. So, you know what I mean? You love her, you invite her here in your present space, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, you want to go on. Since you're really out, you know, you're a really good friend, you know what I mean? I know, so we work. When we work, you know what I mean? Yeah. So, Mama Sita, welcome. That's all I can tell you, because my friend, me have to you do anything him say. So you want to go on. We want to sing happy birthday for my general. You ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Mr. Goodman. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Yo.
Oh my God.
Yes. Thank you guys for being here.
I want to go on here, so.
Mommy, what? Listen, it's my
What they go on here, so? What happened? What me here, so? I want to know what they go on here, so.
It's my birthday, mother.
Birthday. All you! Now your friend, you can't talk to him. What kind of foolishness are going on here, so? So you come keep birthday party with the same girl. What me tell you say, me no want to see around me. You know, keep here in my yard because you don't want me quarrel. You take it come down a fear yard. You see you, and then sitting here, me no like. So me spend all of my money upon you. Send you go at this school, that the school till you catch college. Now you turn doctor. You're ready to take up idiot.
You see me if you tell me say, you beat her because of how she behave. And look how you come here and behave. Eh?
A man has just start now to me.
Me invite
You know no man has to me now.
Mommy, other day,
See a woman you start this me.
me not disrespect your mommy, but other day, me come up a yard and me tell her, say, me I keep the party down here. And your remarks was you're not coming. Me think, say, you come now. If you can't tell me, say, you love me and wish me happy birthday.
Yes,
you
me
come
son.
with, mommy.
Calm down, I'm
Yes.
yard there.
Me and my son attack and you are coming at it.
Mommy, me a big man.
Who call you in there? 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 Who call you, girl?
Why you make your mother come down the front door?
Mommy, come on. Watch out.
Who call you? Who call you? Eh? Who call you in
Get
there?
off of me.
Mother and son business. Who call you in there,
You
girl?
come on me yard for?
Listen to me, calm down.
Take him out of me yard.
Listen. Calm down. Calm down. Look, I love you.
Come. Come and talk to you. Relax yourself, man. You can't do things like that. Me understand, say you're angry, upset, but guess what now? I'm a friend.
Leg off of me.
Come and go wash
I
up.
mean, yard, your mother come do me this. Leg off of me.
Mommy, you see where you cast, mommy? Come and go
Leg
wash
off
up.
of me.
Come and go wash up.
Me, yeah.
Come, look here, man. I'm sorry about that, man. I don't know why my mother has to come. Look here. Hush, man, hush. Here.
But it's obvious, say, them in love. Look what you do. You create a mess. You act worse than how she act.
Look
She
what
can't
me do.
change
Look what you do.
What me do?
Are you a friend and you allow him to keep a party down here so with the girl there? And you know say me not go agree with it. Look how long me know you. Me not expect this from you. Why you never talk to him? Yo.
Calm down, man. And relax.
You don't even know me did what. Where you hold me for?
Because you have to respect the situation. Listen to me. You can't act worse than the girl where you have blow down, you know.
Hello,
Me I say?
he's your friend, but he's my son.
Yes, but that not say nothing at all. You know, make sense right
I didn't
now.
want liquor in her room.
No, you can't do that. You can't act like a arrest. So you call her a dog and you're back.
Listen,
Eh?
well, me turn dog today. Me ready for back. Me no know where you want. You know what, I'm a matter of fact, me a come go about my business and me no want to no carry me. Me a go walk.
No, you have to walk.
What you mean me not fi walk?
I'm going to go for car.
Go for which car? Oi! Me no want you carry me. You look like I said you want for your friend woman to leave me out. As long as you see me, me no in nothing with you again neither.
Mommy, just relax.
Leave me alone.
Wait, miss. Yo. You see why it can't work out between. Babes, why you look like that?
You know, say me still vex.
Babes, come
What
on.
happened yesterday?
Babes, that happened yesterday and we talked about it already. Listen, I'm sorry. I am sorry.
But don't like how your mother behave and your mother go on yesterday. Dash all cake in my face.
Look, I am sorry. And my mother never did for do that. But listen, I'm gonna make it up to you.
How? How? Your mother hate me like a poison. How?
She not hate her, you know, she just overprotected over me. Me her only son. She just overprotected. Listen now. We're gonna get through this. Alright? You can change, you know. You can change.
What you just say? Change what? To please who? Remember, when you take me up, you take me up a smoke, a party, and a drink, you know, what you want me change? Me not change you, please. Nobody, neither you or your mother. So you come tell me say me can change.
Lisa, really? You must say me love you. For me, left my good house with my mother come around here, so come a year yard, come stay, Lisa. And this is how you gonna treat me?
Me know say you love me, you know. But me feel comfortable in a mind.
Listen, me not tell you say if you change, you know, but just the attitude. Just
Take a walk. Never take a walk.
We are living in perilous times. Yes, brothers and sisters, we are living in perilous times. We are living in a new age where people look on Christians as nothing. Yes, we are living in a time like this, now in this new age that we call modern time. But guess what? The word of God has never changed and will never change. So guess what? Come as you are. If you are a go-go dancer, if you are a scammer, come as you are. The house of God is here for you and for me. Yes, young lady, I see you from afar. I feel in my spirit. Come, man, come. I see you don't feel like stopping, but I see that your mother-in-law don't like you. I feel you in the spirit. Come, man, make I tell you more. Come, man, come.
Pastor, where you know about?
Calm down, man. Calm down. You ask, what me know about you? I might not know anything about you, but the spirit know everything about you. Let me tell you, I can see that young man that you're talking to, him love you, but the mother-in-law, she don't see you as worthy to deal with her son.
I fasting on my business, Pastor.
No, I'm not fasting on your business. But let me tell you something. There's a calling on your life
Which
to
God?
serve God.
Serve which God?
Listen, man. There's a calling on your life. This young man loves you, him in a good job, and this can be a turning point for you to serve God and to live a good and decent life and depart from the wickedness that you're.
Nobody.
Let me pray for you. I can see that you've been through a lot. Let me pray for you, man. Let me pray for you. This is not going to take anything from you, but some blessing is going to come on your life. Let me pray for you. Oh, dear Father God, as I approach your mercy throne, I ask you that you may just send down a special blessing for this young lady. I see that there's a calling on her life. There's a calling on her life for her to change and depart from the ways that she is living now, God. As I come to you, God, I ask you that you may just bless her. Help her that her life might just turn around for the better. I cast out all unclean spirit from her, God. I just ask, Lord, that you just rise her up, rise her up. Let her be something great. Father God, I pray for her that she might just change right now, God. I pray that she might just change. There is no shame in giving your life to God. You see how me look? Have on my beard and me hair. But guess what? I am still serving God. And God is still in the business of making miracles and creating miracles. So right at this moment, I'm going to invite you to visit my church in the hope of you get baptized and change your life. And trust and believe that this prayer that I just pronounced upon you will be a change in your life. And you can visit my church. My church is right around here. Richard Brown, a Pentecostal Baptist church. Right around here, man. Come. Alright? And I hope you have a blessed day. Yeah, man. One more soul for the Lord.
Babes, nobody tell me say you go up on the road and come back vex with me, say me.
I don't vex me vex. A while ago me a walk on the road. And me see you and pastor. And him call me and pray for me. And him a tell me everything that happen in my life. We are going with me. Me go start go to church and give my life to God.
Babes, you really mean that?
Yes.
Oh my God, baby, I support you.
The water is troubles, my friend. Step right in. My God, mighty power is moving every hour.
Sister Lisa is going to testify. Tell the congregation, Sister Lisa.
I once was a sinner, but the Lord have saved me. So I just decided to give my life to the Lord.
By the confession of your faith and the redemption of your sins, I now baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. No, when you see her, don't call her Lisa anymore. She's Sister Lisa. Come, my sister.
Well, Lisa, I am so proud of you. I am happy that you're changed, and I hope you keep it up. As a mother to a daughter, you could have been my daughter. You could have been my daughter, girl. I'm sorry for everything. You know, say she just baptized. But now you can't think about married.
Lisa,
Can give me some grandchildren.
Listen, I love you. Don't make mommy get into your head. We're gonna take our time and get through this, alright? Mommy, we have to get some lunch.
Or if I'm married because I will want to come at the wedding to get piece of the cake.
Mommy, I see you. Anyways, we soon come, you see? We catch her on the yard, man. Me and her gonna have a little walk and talk.
All right, later.
And for those who don't know, I'm a son this. And I'm reaching age I know where at this age was the same age I start doing video. So I try to do the same thing with him. Bring him along with me so he can understand the ins and outs. And when I time to go to college, hopefully him choose a career path. If not, then something else will work. But if not, we just want to say this I start as something great. Alright, so let's talk about some things at hand. You guys should be aware of the fact that now we are trying to generate funds for 1010 because she is sick and she have one more surgery left. So we launch a GoFundMe. So for those who don't know, make sure say you click on the link in the description, go to the GoFundMe and make a donation. You don't have to do a foreign for it, you can do at Jamaica. Also, you guys should be aware by now too. So we have some little shirts so we are named Dr. Jack Bedroom Tonic. It is a product that we are highlighting on the channel where if as a female you eat up all the junk, or even as a male you eat up all of this junk and you feel like you want to detox your body, we have some pills that you can use to detox your body and clean up yourself. And if also as a male you feel like you have erection problem, let's say it as it is, or if you ever have erection problem and you feel like you want to last a little bit longer, he has some pills that you can take. They are all natural. You know me, I say no side effects. You take them, make you last a little bit longer, make you have a good time. But the description will be, the thing will be placed on the screen so you can find him and go and show some support. Also, as I said, thank you to everybody that been supporting what we do. By now, we should not look for try to do some stuff for go Netflix, but we're still in the process of trying to get the right set of things in place in terms of equipment and so forth. But you don't know it's hard. When we don't have financial backing and we have to do it on our own, it's very hard. But when you don't know, it's a brand new movie. We like the look. We hope you love it, hope you enjoy it. But as I say, you have to share it up and once you like it, you make me know in the comments. You know me, I say thank you to everybody that's been supporting. I know from time to time persons might reach out to me and say, oh, I haven't seen this person for the longest while, I haven't seen that person. I always tell people, listen, if you don't see anybody that we use in the movies than before, it simply means that people move on to something else and they are no longer a part of what we're doing. Or it's a case that they feel like Richard Brown Films is not for them, so they want to do something else. So for persons who always ask, that's the long and short of everything. Big up on yourself. Remember if you subscribe to Richard Brown Films, remember if you subscribe to Paradise Nation, remember if you subscribe to Public Report, and all the other rest of channels them are affiliated with Richard Brown Films. Big up on yourself. Hopefully we can create a whole heap more content for you this year. And also, one more thing before we go. We are almost at 150,000 subscribers. So the road to 150 starts now. Big up on yourself. Bam.
Say something, man.
Javi, now nothing to say.
Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Even for Paradise Nation, road to 40K thousand.
I don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. We soon get a BTS channel.
Hold on, Joe Javi, say.
Don't worry yourself. We soon get a BTS channel. We go change Spoody channel too.
No. He might have an official BTS channel.
Yeah, official
He might
BTS
do the BTS them and all. So you know, so Javi, I got responsible for the BTS. All right. So thank you everybody. Pleasure for yourself.
Alright, so then out.